this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your credit card on your PlayStation 4 account. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top, go to Settings, go to Account Information or Management, then go to Account Information here. Wait for this to load, and then you might have to verify your identity by signing in with your email address and password. But once this loads, go to Wallet, and then we can go to Payment Methods on the top, and then you should be able to see your credit card in here. Just select your credit card and then go on down to delete, and then you can completely remove this from your PlayStation account, and you don't have to have this auto renew or anything like that for PlayStation Plus and any kind of purchases. You can also go on over to the purchase settings, and you can turn on a password for the checkout. So if you don't want someone accidentally buying something, if we go back to the wallet, go to purchase settings, and then just turn this on right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.